Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we all know that we are getting near to the TCS NQT exam test date. So today in this video, let's discuss few aptitude questions on numerical ability. So until the TCS exam, I will do the series of videos on different topics. All the topics are discussed in separate video. I gave the link in the comments. So in the upcoming days until the exam date, let's discuss all those topics and what are the different types of sample questions and previous questions which will be useful for your TCS NQT test. So let's discuss today some aptitude questions on numerical ability along with the answers explanation. So I would recommend you initially pause the video at each question and try it on your own and later see the solution. So in this way you can practice well. So coming to the first question, a shopkeeper gives a discount of 20% on the market price of an item. If selling price of item is 800, what is the market price? So let the market price as M. So then your selling price will be market price minus what was the discount given. So it will be selling price equal to market price minus discount. So we have the selling price, that is 800 rupees already given in the question. So keep it as it is, and then market price minus discount. So we need market price, so minus discount, 20% of discount. 20% discount meaning 20 by 100 into M. So finally calculate the value of M. So finally your M value will be 1000. So that's what the question asked, market price. So market price will be rupees 1000. Now let's get into the second question. If the ratio of the ages of two people is 3:5 and their sum is 64, what is the age of the younger person? So pause the question first and try it on your own and later look at the solution. So coming to the solution, so let their ages be 3x and 5x. So given that the sum is 64, so then 3x plus 5x will be 64. So calculate the x value. X value will be 64 by 8. So total the x value was 8. So from that you can calculate the younger percentage. So younger percentage is 3x. So 3 into 8, that is 24. So finally younger percentage was 24 years. And moving on to the next question. If a train covers a distance of 240 kilometers in 3 hours, what is its average speed in kilometer per hour? So you must be knowing the basic formulas like speed, distance and time. All those formulas you should be having on fingertips. So formula for average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So given the values, distance was 240 kilometers and time was 3 hours. So you have to calculate simply average speed. It will be 80 km per hour. Moving to the next question. So here you can see this type of questions also will be asked in the exam. So these are general questions, but they will test your speed ability. So you have to be very quick in multiplication and all those things. So don't waste much time here. Here the answer will be 120 by 120. Finally it's 1. So moving to the next question. Here it's number series. So what will be the next value? So you can get these kind of bits very frequently. So here also don't waste much time here. So be quick in finding the logic behind those numbers. So here the logic was 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 5 plus 5 will be 10, 10 plus 7 will be 17. So next number will be 9. So 17 plus 9, it will be 26. Moving to the next question. So if a square has perimeter of 40 centimeters, what is the length of each side? So it's a very simple question. You know the formula of perimeter of square. So perimeter is equal to 4 into length of the each side. So then 40 equal to perimeter was given here. So 40 is equal to 4 into side length. So finally your side length will be 40 by 4 and total your side length will be 10 centimeters. Coming to the next question. A boat travels 120 kilometers upstream in 6 hours. The speed of the boat in still water is 25 km per hour. So what is the speed of the stream then? So firstly let speed of the stream will be s. So now what will be the speed of the boat upstream? So it will be speed of boat upstream equal to what was the speed of boat in still water minus speed of the stream. So it will be like this. Speed of the boat upstream equal to speed in still water minus speed of the stream. So we have speed of the boat upstream like 120 kilometers in 6 hours. So speed is equal to distance by time, we know that. So 120 by 6 equal to speed in still water, that is 25 kilometers minus speed of the stream was s. So finally S value equal to 5 km per hour. Moving to the next question, find the value of x in the equation. So you know that this was very simple question. So even though they will ask like you have to be very quick in solving these type of questions and move to the next question as soon as possible, not wasting much time here. So here you can find the x value easily, like 2x equal to 13 plus 5 18, and then x is equal to 18 by 2, so total x value will be 9. So moving to the next question, we have again series. So observe the series carefully. So we have like 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, next value is 5, and then 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11, and 11 into 2 22 plus 1 it was 23. So here the series was each number was multiplying by 2 and 1 was adding to it. So the next number will be multiply previous number with 2 and add 1 to it. So 23 into 2 plus 1, so 46 plus 1, the answer will be 47. So here it will be 47. And moving to the next question, a car travels a distance of 480 kilometers in 8 hours. If the speed remains constant, how much time will it take to travel 600 kilometers? So again here basic formula, speed is equal to distance by time. From that time, so it will be like speed is equal to distance by time, and from that time is equal to distance by speed we will get. So based on the question given, so a car travels a distance of 480 kilometers in 8 hours. So from that, so you have to be careful here. So here distance will be 600 kilometers is this distance. So and again here speed it was not given directly, so here it was given like 480 kilometers in 8 hours, so 480 by 8. So from this, time to cover 600 kilometers was 10 hours. As this was the first video, I gave very basics. So in the upcoming videos, let's go deep into the subjects, all different topics what are there in TCS NQT. Until then, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching the video.